Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we put the power number 7 for the both sides to cancel about the root. So we have x to the power of 5 plus 1. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u to the power of 7, you got about 7u to the power of 6. First, the derivative of s to the power of 5, you got about 5s to the power of 4. And we have the s, this one we have the u. And now, because we don't have number 5 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. This one we change by u. This one I will change by this one. U to the power of 6 divided by u, you got about u to the power of 5 du. And now we can apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, you got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply this one in here. You got about u to the power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, and we put about c in here. So this one you got about number 6. This one you got about number 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.